Hello there, I've got a bit of a update for you on the M1 kit, Bristol M1 kit. I think it's Avis. Okay. Yeah, that's the one. This one. Okay. Now there's a bit of a fit issues with some of these parts because there's no locator lugs, so I've put it together somehow to measure it. Use that as the flat edge. A little bit of a lip there. I have to check whether that should be there or not. If not, I'll file it off. And it's all a rather complicated interior. But there, I got two more parts which I've had to make because the other ones flew off. So I got somewhere to put the seat on. I made them out of plastic card, stuck together to be the right width. And these little parts here are got to be the crossbars, cross members to put in there somewhere to put the seat on top of them. Anyway, that's more of that. But the problem I've got the most, the first, is this had to be cut in half because it was a single piece wing. But when you stick it under the locating parts here, like this, like so, when it was all one together, imagine it's all one piece there, see? It doesn't fit, so it wouldn't have laid flat. And so I cut it so that it'll now be that much separate. And I glue it back the other half together. I got these little plastic parts here on the edge to act as bracing type of thing. It's like a 0.5 millimeter to 1 millimeter difference there, but it makes all the difference because you've got to put another part on top of there which would lie flat, and it wouldn't have worked otherwise. So I've cut that to size. I've got these little, they're blurred, but because it's trying to focus on the background. I'm going to put those there, and I'm going to have a similar one to that on the other side as well, another plate, plastic thing there to hold it in place, and they'll be all covered up, and you'd never know what it was that was done to make it fit. It's got the tail skid on there as well, but that's only as far as I've got. See, there's no locator or anything on here, and that'll have to be filed in place because there's a little bit of a gap there. That's the tail on it. But the main engineering problem I've had to solve in plastic scale 172 is to get these slightly wider than they were molded, so they can fit on the wing itself. Alright, I think that's clear enough what I'm doing, and you'll see the next stage when I get to it. Alright everybody, thanks very much for watching. Ta-ra.